Okay, we're ready to make a program. So to do that, we need to go to the top left corner to our menu button. And you'll notice that the first thing that pops up that's highlighted in blue is Editor. We're on the editing screen. We want to go to right below that to select program. So we're going to click on that. It's going to open up a new screen. And on the top right corner, we have a couple icons. We have Open. You can open existing program. We can create a new program, or we can delete an existing program. So I'm going to go to New. I'm going to click on that. And now I need to input the name. I can put this in all lowercase letters. It will capitalize the name. We cannot put in spaces between words. So let's call this test program. So I'm going to type in test, and then on the bottom left of my keyboard I have a special characters button. I'm going to click on that, and then right below the 6 is my underscore, and I'm going to go back to my letters, and now I'm going to type in program, and I'm going to hit OK. And then the next thing that comes up is an edit attribute page. We can just acknowledge that and hit OK. And now we have a new program that's open called Test Program.